Welcome to another episode of World of Warships. This is also Hero 909 here. Bring you another episode here. Got a whole new ship right here, and we're gonna try it out and see how it performs. So hopefully this goes well. What we're gonna do here is, I said I like to plot out a course for my ship. So we're actually gonna go to the thick of it. We're actually gonna go straight in.
Autopilot mode enabled. General quarters.
We go right into danger and then kind of bring it right back out of danger, depending on what the rest of our ships do. I like to try to take somebody out pretty early in the game. Take another player out, so at least if I take down one ship, I did not die in vain. This game is really fun. I think the thing that I like about this game is that it is like you're actually playing against actual players, so you get more of it's not the same every time you play. It's completely different. You never know what's going to happen. So you could be playing with an entirely different group of guys every single time, which is pretty cool. Okay, we got some airplanes. Let's see, we got some carriers in this game. I finally got torpedoes. This is my first time playing with these torpedoes, so let's see what happens here. I don't see any ships yet. Just waiting for some ships to pop up on my radar. Looks like my guys are going way out of the way. They're trying to hide. The carriers like to try and hide.
Waypoint reached.
Okay, there's a little...
Autopilot mode disabled.
Oh, there we go. There we go. And we're gonna... I don't know how fast he's going, but that was a warning shot. Let's see, it looks like he's going 12. Sorry if
All
I'm not
forces requesting cover
talking here. I'm
fire.
trying to get this guy's bearing so I can at least get one shot in. This is the hardest time that I've actually had trying to get a shot in somebody. The problem is these smaller ships are so maneuverable that they can turn on the, you know, on a dime, and that's what this guy's doing. He's turning. Let's see how far. Well, you know what? Forgot I had torpedoes.
Enemy destroyer sighted.
Did I just waste those torpedoes? Somebody just hit that guy. Yeah, just wasted my torpedoes. Oh, there we go.
Enemy battleship detected.
Hopefully he turns to that. That's the second time that happened.
Enemy destroyer sighted.
Autopilot mode disabled.
Turn it. Go after this guy because he's by himself.
Enemy
Are those
battleship
torpedoes ready?
sighted.
Nope, still reloading.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
And away. Where the hell am I going? I'm about to crash it. So.
Enemy battleship detected.
Just a warning, collision alarm. It is pretty close. Let me see if I can. Alright, we're guessing right about here. It's a little bit higher. Let me try the bow up here. Alright, a little bit higher. See, this is just like a guessing game, man. It's, I don't know, people play this that are like freaking awesome at it and they know exactly what they're doing and how to line it up. Not that guy. This side, that side. There we go. Hopefully those Oh, see that? You see how he turned, man? Okay, they're going. Looks like they're going straight in the water.
Critical engine damage.
How did I hit something or hit this?
Problem solved, sir.
boats. There we go, look at that. That's right, take those goddamn things down. There we go. That's awesome. That is freaking awesome. Look at my boat, man. I don't know, I'm guessing, I don't know what the hell happened. I really don't know. Like, I'll have to go back and watch and see what happened, because I don't know when I got hit by, you know, what. It's just, that's insane. So it's like tied up right now. I'm trying to sail around here. Let's see here. He's sitting right there. Got one coming around. So when I come around this bend, I was detected by a plane. Looks like I got some one of my other guys' see if I can snapshot some torpedoes at this guy. Oh, you hit me?
The ship is on fire! Problem!
That sucks. Yeah, because you're constantly zooming in and out, you don't know what you get hit by. But, alright, we're gonna go ahead and keep it going. I don't want to make you guys wait for this. We're gonna go into the St. Louis. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and go into a random battle. That way I try and keep these short, usually between, 15 and 30 minutes, so we'll just get this battle in and then we'll end on that, but until then, let's get in there and have some fun, man. Let's take somebody out. So far, I'd have to say that the St. Louis is my favorite ship, only because it's I don't know, what are we looking for? I don't even know the hell the word I'm looking for. It's quite late right now. I'm up a lot later than I should be, but I am enjoying this. So you know how that goes. Is it 2 a.m. already? Yeah. So I like the counter too. Like right here, it tells you, okay, that it will take no longer than 5 minutes for a battle to start. It normally, I've been getting lucky depending on what time of day. Like earlier when I was playing, it was like 30 seconds, and we were in. I think the longest that I've waited was like 3 minutes, somewhere around there. But it's I like how quick it is. This is pretty cool. I'm waiting. You know, I was thinking about it earlier. Like, I'd like to kind of like a dogfight version of this, but with airplanes. I mean, there might already be a version out there, a free game like this. I know they have like World of Tanks and stuff like that. So, there probably is already one. Oh, let's see. Yeah, see, it's gonna load in right around 2 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. All right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and load in. There's a damn carrier back there. Is that what it is? Yeah, those carriers. Yeah, yeah, it is. I don't know what it is. I don't know if I reached a new level, but it's starting to put me with just kind of cool, tougher opponents and stuff like that. Alright, let's see. Let's plot. We are going to go here.
Autopilot mode enabled.
I'm going to go here.
Autopilot mode disabled.
At full speed.
Autopilot mode enabled.
General quarters.
To it. See, I guarantee you they're going to
Affirmative.
like all show up here or here for the for our opponents. I'm gonna try and cruise up here and see if I can get within range. Let's see, that should actually be pretty good about getting in range. Then I'm gonna go here. So, let's see if we can. What I'd like to do, and like my big thing to do is I would like to take somebody out with the torpedoes. But on this boat, I do not have them, so we are just going to try and get a kill this round. I'm kind of curious to how effective the airplanes are as well, because they do, you
Enemy
know,
destroyer sighted.
you will get hit by them. So I'm just wondering as to.
Enemy destroyer detected.
I don't see. Everything says it's all to the right. See, they usually congregate it over on one side, but I guarantee you there's some people in
Enemy
A.
cruiser sighted.
Oh, see, there he is, right there. See, if I had some freaking torpedoes, man, I'd snapshot them that way and hopefully hit that clown. So I think some more. I'd like to shoot somebody.
Enemy battleship
Torpedoes,
sighted.
dead ahead.
Damn it. See, now this guy snapshot me.
Torpedoes, direct front.
So, come on. Hit. There we go. We got one hit. Come on, hit again. Okay, I gotta get myself. Nope, hitting them out. Take it. Hopefully people don't play that. I just was obliterated. There we go, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. See, these smaller boats, man, they are fast as hell. Come on, hit. A little bit higher, Here, somebody down.
Waypoint
That
reached.
guy.
Destination reached.
here.
Autopilot mode enabled.
See, they're hiding behind this rock right here. This guy's going out to sea. I want to cut in right here. Cut into here. And try and take that guy out. I want to come back here. Alright, zigzagging. There we go. So we plotted our course. As soon as we can get close enough, we're going to take that guy out. Which we're heading his way, so I'm just going to prepare for
Our team has taken the lead.
He is moving. Come on, turn toward me, buddy. I'm at full speed. I'm at full 23 knots right now. This guy doesn't know it, but he's driving right into me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. If he continues, let's see. See how far off.
Attention.
He's moving a lot slower than I thought he was. There we go. I think we might have downed him. Alright, there we go. We're in. We're on him. We are on him. There we go. There we go. Are those? Yes, those are going at him. He's about to get hit by those torpedoes. There you go. That was a nice hit. Oh yeah, look at how much his health dropped. Whoever shot those torpedoes, great shot. Other torpedoes in the water, there's no way he's not going to get hit. Oh, they missed him. And he's done.
Our victory is in sight.
Yeah, one of my guys just died. I just saw torpedoes hit him out of nowhere. Let's see, where are we going? There's nobody behind me. Is that ours? Or theirs? Looks like we kind of pushed them back into a corner. Okay, let's see here. They're hiding somewhere. This guy, we're gonna go after this guy. Hopefully me and this guy can take that soon. I'm trying to trail in front of him and see if I can hit him. Right there. Straight on now. Yes, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. Oh, all those, whoever shot, they shot all those damn torpedoes and all of them missed. There we go. Hit, hit, hit. There. We're about to get 11 if we can get. Come on, there we go, right here.
Main turret critically damaged. Starboard.
God damn it, he hit me with torpedoes. I mean, I heard him coming. I was hoping that they missed. After watching all of our guys freaking miss, I was hoping that he would have missed. Well, we got 38 hits right there. It's like we set them on fire 3 times, so, hey, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and go back to the port and see what is is up. So we lost our last battle there. Where's my big boy? Is this it? My big boy? Yes, it is. Alright, one more. And then I really gotta go to bed. Yeah, this is gonna be the last one. So like I said, this game is extremely fun. Like I said, because you're playing against other players, you never know what to expect. So, it's just fun, man. World of Warships. So if you have a PC and you're looking for a game to play, you just go to worldofwarships.com, I believe. I think I googled it, and that's how I ended up finding it. But yeah, you just download the game, and it's free to play. You just play. I mean, of course, in these free-to-play games, there's always content that they're, I don't know what it's called, Premier or Premium. You know, we have those always. I think they'll always have those, but yeah, not a big. I don't need it.
Stations.
I am going to go straight for the gusto here, and I do have torpedoes in this one. Okay, I'll also put this up. Let me see if I can plot this. Go here.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Roger.
Here.
Proceeding to assist you.
Here, and then back over here. I'm gonna plot that just for now, and that's just in case I get overwhelmed going up into this. Well, I can show you because it's controlling my guns. You can see where the course is. Everybody's back there. Jeez, look at all these boats. This is pretty awesome. So I should be running into somebody pretty quick here. Oh, I can already somebody see something.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Okay, I can see that right there. Try and get ready to.
Waypoints reached.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Oh, holy crap. Three hits.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Waypoint reached.
Torpedoes to port.
Holy crap. What the heck? And I died. Okay. Alright guys, I guess that just means that I'm done officially. My game just jumped out right to my freaking video. Alright, but it was fun guys. I hope you enjoy the content. We'll keep making them. I'm going to try and get out one video a week at least. If you do like the content, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is also Hero 909 out.